how to download a YouTube video in mobile gallery. So yeah guys, let's start the video. It's very helpful guide for you guys. So if you want to download any video from YouTube in your direct your mobile gallery, so all you need to do guys, open the YouTube first of all. After that, what you need to do, you need to find that video you wanna download in your mobile gallery. So you just click on the three dots like this, and it will give you the such kind of interface, but you need to tap on the share option and then click on the copy link. After that, once you copy the link, so you're gonna tap on the Chrome browser, open the any browser which you have right now, and after that tap on the search bar right here. You will type the YouTube video downloader, so you're gonna tap on it, and after that put the link here which you copy from YouTube. After the some moment, this video will be saved in your mobile phone. So yeah guys, this is how you can download YouTube video from YouTube in your gallery. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.